Don't throw away unused bottles at home. This transformation saves money and is practical. Cut off the top of the bottle. On an unfinished red wine bottle, heat with a hair dryer. That way you don't have to worry about the wine going bad. 2. Draw a dotted line on the laundry detergent bottle. Cut out the shape. Handles cut into petal shapes. Put in soil and plants. Is watering like this particularly ceremonial? Watering and implanting roots. 3. Cut the bottle in half. Punch on the back. Hanging faucet. Used to store scouring cloths. It's very convenient. It is also convenient to drain water. 4. Cut the plastic bottle into 4 sections. You can stack bowls. Moisture and dust proof. Rational use of refrigerator space. 5. Cut the bottle into tassels. Take out a hanger. Stick it on with hot melt glue. This can be used to dry multiple pairs of socks. Is that convenient? 6. Cut the top of the shampoo bottle in a semicircle. Apply hot melt adhesive. Stick the cap on. Multiple glued together. A free tableware storage box is ready. 7. Dishwashing detergent bottles used up at home. Draw cropped shape. It can be used to store various toiletries. 8. Open rice bags are easy to sprinkle. Put the top of the bottle in. Heat and fix with a lighter. It won't be easy to sprinkle. I heated the nails with fire. Punch holes in laundry detergent bottle caps. Hit the handle too. A flower watering artifact that can control the flow of water is ready. If you haven't learned it, don't hurry up and collect it.